If your dinner feels boring, you're in for a treat. Let's whip up some zoodles with pesto and cherry tomatoes. Grab your 2 medium zucchinis and turn them into zoodles using a spiralizer or a vegetable peeler. Easy, right? Next, heat a tablespoon of olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Toss in those zoodles and saute for 2 to 3 minutes until they're just al dente. Don't overcook. Now, add a cup of halved cherry tomatoes, cooking for another 2 minutes to warm them through. Take the skillet off the heat and mix in a 1/4 cup of basil pesto. Coat those zoodles and tomatoes evenly for that burst of flavor. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Serve in bowls, and if you're feeling fancy, top with grated parmesan or nutritional yeast. For extra protein, add grilled chicken, shrimp, or chickpeas. And hey, toss in spinach, bell peppers, or mushrooms if you're feeling adventurous. This dish is low in calories, high in flavor, and packed with nutrients, perfect for weight loss. Enjoy your healthy and delicious meal.